Hi guys, in this video you are going to make an apple. Let's go to the kitchen and do the apple things. To make apple milkshake, the first step is to peel the apple. Peel it hardly. And guys, after this we should peel the apple. After peeling, we should cut the apple. I had cut that with this, see guys. This is apple cutter. Ask in near stores near you. In stores, it will find in the stores near you. You should buy it to make apple juice. And guys, now in the grinder we should pour the apple. Let's start. So guys, we had poured the apple. How much apple you want, you can pour. I want so less, so I had poured this much, guys. Let's start. And guys, now we should do it. For some few seconds, guys. Now. And guys, we had you guys, and after this we should pour the milk into it, guys. Yes guys, we had poured the milk. Now start. See guys, white. Guys, we had it, guys. Now pour some. And guys, now we have to pour 1 to 2 spoons of sugar. I am pouring 2 spoons of sugar, guys. And guys, now I had poured. Let's start. Guys, we have it, guys. You can see all the sugar, milk, and apple, guys. Guys, it's so insane, guys. And now it's ready, guys. And we should pour, guys. It's ready, guys. Guys, it's over, guys. You can see. Now it's your recipe. Drink it. Oh yeah, it's so yummy, guys. You should try this at your houses. You should try this at your houses, guys. It's so yummy. Bye bye. And look down there. No.